Hi everyone, my name is Jaime Martinez. I'm a backend engineer here at GitLab, and today I'm going to show you the support for splats, placeholder redirects pages for GitLab Pages. This is a very requested feature from a lot of our users, and yeah, I will show you how it works and how it's enabled. Right now, it's only on our staging environment, but it should make it to production very soon. So I have a project here, this redirects file, and I can show you, actually, it's the same one on the left side. We have a set of basic rules that have been working for a while already, which is mostly redirects. And as you can see, we're adding support for rewrites. So instead of just redirecting to a 302 or a 301, we can now rewrite. We also support these placeholders here to be replaced, and I'll actually rewrite as well. Splat to match anything that goes into this directory to redirect to this file, and some placeholders with splats, and a few more examples with the splats, with placeholders. So I will show you real quick. This is in production on GitLab.com. As you can see, this file is telling us the placeholders are not supported and splats are not supported. This is on staging. So now we can see that they're valid. So we can try this out. So I'll have the rules on this side. Cool. And now we can try going to, say, for example, all/file. Cool. And this matches this rule here. So we're being sent back to 301 file, HTML. Let's see what happens if we go to this one here. Cool. So this is showing that when you don't specify a status code, you will be redirected via 301. So if I look at the network and try this again. Right. Oh, we need to go to the old URL. Yep, all default. And you can see here at the bottom, we got a 301. So that one's working. Then let's try a 302. You can see here file, we got redirected with a 302 to go into file, if I can find the location header. Anyway, we're being redirected here. 302. Now let's try a rewrite. They should save the contents of this file with a 200 without actually redirecting. Let's clear this out. Cool. So rewrite HTML. The path is still all rewrite, but we actually serve the contents of new rewrite index HTML. That's working. And then let's try this news. I believe the current date is September 1st, 2021. On this side of the world, I think it's index HTML, if I'm correct. Yes, cool. And you can see, I actually did a rewrite. So we were saved at 200 down here, but it's showing the contents of this post. So yep, that's cool. And I can show you real quick the structure of this directory. Yeah. This is the file that we just got served. Cool. This one here. Now let's just give it this splat a try. So in theory, if we go to splat any path in here, we should be serve the contents of this file. So let's try that. Splat, and then let's just say any path file. This is also a rewrite. So yep, we are serving this content. This is pretty cool. This is very nice for single page applications. If I go to index.html or any file, we serve the same content. I forgot to test this, but if the file exists already, we would serve that file instead of redirecting that. So that's shouldn't be an issue. And then let's just try this one here. What happens? Okay. Placeholder. Oh, this rule is the same. This one will actually redirect. So if I go to index.html, this redirects me to carrier.index.html. Cool. Because this file exists, or it should exist. Carriers. Index.html. Oh, I think this rule actually matched. This rule must have matched this rule down here instead, because the file didn't exist. So if I try to go to a file that actually exists, which is say splat, placeholder HTML. Yeah, cool. We were actually served the contents of carries or splat, and we were redirected. We were redirected from placeholder to here, to carriers splat. Cool. And there's a few more rules in here. You can go ahead and try if you'd like. I did add the last rule to do like a single page application. So yeah, this basically shows that any of the files that exist are matched first and they are served. For example, I check some of the files that exist in this file. Yeah, HTML, I don't think, let's see if we have a rule for that one. Nope. Cool. So we can test this thing. So this last rule is matching everything to index, serving the content of index. So whatever .html serves me the content of index without redirecting. However, if I go to my HTML, this is not me. So we are actually served the content of the file because it exists. So this is really nice because for JavaScript or any other resources that you're saving, they should be served as well with them. So yeah, there it goes. Like I said, this testing is on our staging environment. So once we have validated this, we'll enable it in production. And for self-managed instances, I believe that's noted in the documentation, which is in this MR here. which I'll post in the video. And you basically just need to enable a feature flag on Pages, on the Pages environment, which is not documented, but I will add this to the docs. Basically, you need to enable placeholders. I'll put that in the docs. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to this issue, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. All right. Thanks.